Good morning students. Welcome back to physics class. Today we will discuss the topic relative velocity. Students, relative means comparison of one quantity with respect to another. Here we discuss about velocity. Suppose there are two objects. Object 1 having velocity v1, object 2 having velocity v2. Relative velocity of object 2 with respect to 1. For relative velocity, we should have two objects. Relatives, in simple words, relative means comparison. First object has velocity v1, second object has velocity v2. v21, it means relative velocity of 2 with respect to 1 is equal to v2 minus v1. Here arrow means vector quantities. This is your next chapter. We will discuss in that chapter about vector quantities. If you want to calculate v12 means relative velocity of one with respect to another. v12 is equal to v1 minus v2. Or you can define it like this: time rate of change of position. This is the definition of velocity, bachche. Time rate of change of position means change of velocity of object 2 with respect to object 1. Here both the objects are moving in the same direction. The formula is v21 is equal to v2 minus v1. ਇਹਦਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਵਰਡਸ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ v2 ਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ v1 ਨਾਲੋਂ. ਸਪੋਜ਼ ਕਾਰ 1 ਹੈਜ਼ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ 20 ਮੀਟਰ ਪਰ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ, ਕਾਰ 2 हैज़ velocity 30 meter per second, then v21 means relative velocity of 2 with respect to 1 is equal to 30 minus 20 is equal to 10 meter per second. If we calculate v12, then it will be 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10 meter per second. Means direction changes. Here you calculate v2 with respect to v1. Here you calculate v1 with respect to v2. Only direction differs. When the direction comes along with the quantity, that quantity is called vector quantity. Vector quantity means any quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. Now next is, if the two objects are moving in opposite direction, means one is moving towards right, second is moving towards left, then v21 is equal to v2 plus v1 because they meet fast at one point. Clear? Now next is position time graph for relative velocity. First case is when v1 is equal to v2, means both the objects have same velocity. And second point here is considered here is two objects move in the same direction. Now if the two objects move in the same direction, relative velocity of 2 with respect to 1 is equal to v2 minus v1. v1 is equal to v2 means relative velocity is equal to 0. How we explain with the graph? Here is a position time graph. Now you know that slope of this graph is equal to velocity. How can we calculate the slope? By measuring this angle theta, because slope is equal to tan theta. These two lines are parallel. Theta will be equal, so tan theta will also be same. Therefore both the objects have same slope. If both the objects have same slope means both have same velocity. If both have same velocity, then relative velocity is equal to 0. Means if both the objects have same velocity, then position time graph is two parallel lines. Position time graph for object 1 is parallel to the position time graph of object 2. Now next is another case is when v2 greater than v1, means velocity of object 2 is greater than velocity of object 1. Students, in graph, velocity is shown by the slope of the graph. Please draw straight lines. Here it is not perfectly drawn as a straight line. See there, theta 1 is smaller than theta 2, means tan theta 1 is smaller than tan theta 2. If tan theta is smaller, this tan theta tells us about the slope of the graph. Slope is equal to velocity, means v1 less than v2. Here is v1, this graph is for object 1, this graph is for object 2. Theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Tan theta 2 is greater than tan theta 1, that is v2 is greater than v1. If we calculate v21, v2 minus v1, v21 means relative velocity of object 2 with respect to 1 is equal to v2 minus v1, that is equal to positive. Now next case is when v2 less than v1. v2 less than v1 means slope of object 2 is less than slope of object 1. I am going to explain you this example. Suppose here is a car A having velocity v1, another car B having velocity v2. Here v1 is greater than v2. Then this car will overtake the car B. v1 is greater than v2, means car A ज़्यादा fast चल रही है B नालों, मतलब car A overtake कर लेगी B नू. At this point, when these two graphs cut at one point, this point is point of meeting, means car A is here. When it is going to overtake the car B. Clear? Here v21 is equal to v2 minus v1. v2 is less than v1. Therefore, v2 minus v1 is negative. These graphs are very important for relative velocity. These are the position times graph to show the concept of relative velocity. Students, next topic, determination of relative velocity when two objects are at an angle with each other. This topic we will discuss in the next chapter, because you don't know about the vector quantities and their related formulas. So we will discuss this topic in the next chapter. And your chapter number 3 is sorry for the interruption. Your chapter number 3 is over here.